In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coil pack on this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. Disconnect this connector right here. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Slide it in the tab just very carefully. Pry this out a little and disconnect the connector. Take these hoses off. Just push down on the two tabs and rock the hose up. Same with the bottom one. Push down on the two tabs. And it slides right up. We're going to take this bracket off. Use a hex key or a hex bit, a 6mm. Take this bolt out. Now I'm going to take the two bolts out on the side. I'm going to use a T40 socket. Take those out. Disconnect this wire right here. It's just a little tab right there. You can use a trim tool or a screwdriver. Pop that out. And the bolt that's lower, you want to get that off using a T40 socket. And take that bolt out and slide the bracket and the pump right out. Before you take the wires off, if you want, it's a good idea to label them. So this top one is going to be number 4. The next is 3. Then 2. Then 1. And you can follow the wires back. You can see the wire goes up here, and that one goes all the way over to cylinder number 1, the second one, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll take the wires off. You can pop them out of the retainer if you want. Just wiggle them back and forth. And just keep going, take the rest of them off the same way. Slide the wires to the side. Now we'll disconnect this connector right here. You can just use a pick or a screwdriver and try to get underneath the connector. Take these 3 screws out. Use a 5mm hex key or a socket. And take those bolts out. Grab the coil pack, slide it out. You can access the connector right here. Just pop this up. And there's the coil pack. I'll line the connector up. Lock it in place. And put the bolts in. Get those started. And we can snug those down. Now reconnect the wires. Top one is going to be number 4. Next one down is 3. And then 2. And then 1. And if you took this wire clip off, you want to put that back on. Slide it in position. Get the bolts started. And get this front bolt in. Now we can tighten those down. All right, that's snug. And take this wire retainer. Oops. Lock it down. Connect the hoses. And the electrical connector, line it up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.